Art movement, installation art, 1960 present, characteristics of the period. Installation art marks a departure from traditional painting and sculpture, focusing on large-scale, often site-specific works that immerse the viewer and invite interaction. This art form transforms the spectator from a passive observer into an active participant, addressing themes such as politics, identity, and the relationship between humans and space. Its immersive nature frequently evokes strong emotions and profound reflections. Emerging in the 1960s with artists like Yayoi Kusama, whose obsessive patterns and infinite mirror rooms were groundbreaking, installation art has evolved into a platform for experimental and activist art, often used to highlight social and political issues. Female artists. Mona Hatoum, in works like Suspended, she uses objects and space to explore themes of displacement, fear, and vulnerability, drawing inspiration from her personal experience as a refugee. Yayoi Kusama, with creations like Infinity Mirror Rooms, she examines themes of infinity, mental health, and self-dissolution within larger systems. Olafur Eliasson, collaborations with female team members. His works are team-driven, with female engineers and artists making crucial contributions. Anne Hamilton creates tactile, sensory experiences such as the event of a thread, inviting audiences to reflect on connection and communication. Challenges for women in this period. Invisible labor. In collaborative projects, women's contributions are often undervalued or overlooked. Institutional barriers. Women were long excluded from major exhibitions despite their innovative work in this genre. Undervaluation of emotional themes. Female installation art is sometimes dismissed as personal rather than universal. Feminine qualities in their work. Empathy. Hatoum and Kusama create spaces that deeply resonate with the viewer's emotions. Innovation. These artists push the boundaries of traditional media, experimenting with technology, light, and sound. Care. Hamilton's works invite interaction and dialogue, placing human connection at the forefront. Reflection on today. Installation art reminds us that art can be a shared experience, a space to confront societal and personal themes. In a world where digital connection often creates emotional distance, this art form emphasizes the power of physical and sensory interaction. Female artists demonstrate how vulnerability and strength coexist in creating meaningful experiences. This movement calls for future technologies, such as VR and AR, to integrate the same sensitivity and empathy. It also urges recognition of the often hidden contributions of women in collaborative and experimental art. Thanks for your attention. Artivism feminine empowers women by reflecting on the past to shape the future. Explore our exhibition on the immersive platform Anasia, curated by Annalise Newey, and see how art inspires a stronger, more inclusive tomorrow. Follow us and join the movement.